Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 12 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. On one of the pages, we should have our power saving mode visible. So if it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages where it looks like the toggle is located for me. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It will change the color of the filling of the battery to signify that the mode is right now enabled. And apart from that, it gives you absolutely no information on what will be changed by it. So with this being said, there's very important one thing that might be happening, though as you've seen, there's no info about it, so I'm just guessing, but most phones do this. So you might experience a delay in notification delivery when you're not using the device. And this would be a result of the power saving mode because it will turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using the device. So if I lock it up like this and leave it alone for a couple minutes, it will go into sleep mode, disconnect from Wi-Fi, mobile data, and therefore I might just not get notifications at all while I'm not using the device, or they might be delayed and being delivered to you every like 10-20 minutes or so. In any case, if you find this to be, well, kind of like a deal breaker for you, just know that this is done by the power saving mode and there is no option to change it as far as I can tell. So you would have to go about power saving your device in some other ways, like turning off any kind of unwanted toggle, lowering down your brightness, and things like that. Now going back to the actual power saving mode, once you're done using it, you can just tap on a toggle once again to turn it off. Now with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.